Does it ever feel like no matter what you do, you're still experiencing not enough? You feel not enough. Not enough money, not enough love, not enough skill. Here's the truth. It's not about what's outside. It's about your energy. I'll show you how to use the skeleton key method that unlocks your power to feel enough right now. No waiting, no external validation needed. There is one thing that is like the energetic skeleton key to unlock everything else in your life. It changes for everyone, but later you'll see how to discover it for yourself and exactly when to implement it. But first, you have to acknowledge where you currently are at, where you're moving from. Do you ever or have you ever felt stuck in not enoughness? Not enough money, not enough love, not enough knowledge or know-how. These beliefs seem external, but they are really reflecting and remarking on a belief of yourself, your own feeling of unworthy or not enoughness inside. When you say you want something and you delay your ability to feel better until it arrives, you are telling yourself you are not enough as you are. You are saying that the power for you to feel better, for you to feel good and whole, is outside of yourself, and that you are then, by implication, not a powerful being. Not enough to make yourself feel better. And if you can't even do that, then feeling powerful in other ways can feel like a real stretch. This is what causes you to stay stuck in a reflection of not enoughness. Your alignment is always the answer, because where you place your focus, that is where your momentum grows. That is what you will see more of. So when you place your focus on the utmost importance of your alignment, momentum creates a natural flow spilling into all areas of life. If you keep reasserting your not enoughness, if you keep focusing on how unworthy you are, you will find more evidence of that. So when you place your focus and the utmost importance, a priority, on your alignment, momentum creates a natural flow spilling into all other areas of your life. The practice here is about finding the skeleton key for you, the energetic place you can put yourself in to get into alignment and allow it to unlock everything else in life with ease. So how do you find that practice or that skeleton key for you? To recap, when you keep focusing on not enough money or love or whatever it may be, when you have a desire and you delay your ability to feel better until it arrives, you stay stuck in the not enoughness. To shift that, you look to the opposite. You have to locate the practice or part of your life that already feels enough. What comes to you smoothly? What comes to you so naturally, even if it's something you've practiced for years, but by this point feels effortless? What makes you feel immediately confident, flowing, alive in your enoughness? Are you a good cook? Do you lose yourself in writing? Do you love to sing? Are you a thinker, philosopher, mathematician? Are you great in athletic ability? What creative space lights you up the moment you enter it? And creativity is not just about art. Everything is a creative process. Do you have a scientific hypothesis, or do you love gardening? Whatever it may be, go there. Find the space in which you already feel enough. By doing the opposite of not enough, you place yourself in the energy that unlocks everything else. You deliberately place your focus on something that momentum will then grow. This one thing you do with ease will begin to expand into every other area of your life. And when you do it first thing in the morning, before letting any other voices in, something powerful happens. You place yourself in a state of enough from the get-go, in a state of confidence, a state of alignment. This becomes your skeleton key, because your energy shifts to a place where you can meet the rest of your day with a completely different internal state. In that energy of ease, even if the bills come and the old fears rise up, new thoughts will appear far more quickly. Thoughts like, it's okay, everything works out, I'm still here. It's worked out so far and it will keep working out. You may feel the pulse of anxiety, but you'll also feel how quickly you return to steadiness. You won't have to effort your way into it. The shift happens naturally because you created a foundation in your day from which you know yourself to be enough, to feel ease and alignment. Practiced daily, this momentum grows. You can play with timing. Start with 5 minutes and grow from there. Pay attention to when you are ready to move on. It's not about forcing it at all. It's about staying in a state of ease and taking that energy with you through the rest of your day. Leave it alone and come back to it the next day, ready for more inspiration and creativity. If you have trouble feeling that pull towards something that makes you feel excited, you might want to check out the aligned visualization. Follow the magic of excitement. It is specifically crafted for this exact practice and really gaining momentum from this place of feeling like you are enough. That one simple action, the thing that makes you feel confident and enough, becomes the skeleton key that unlocks everything you've desired, because you're placing your energy in the space to show up for it. Whatever you want in life, you have to make yourself available to it. You have to place yourself in the space where inspiration can strike and you can take action. If you want to become toned and fit, you have a better chance of it if you show up to the gym. It's the same thing with energetic alignment. Your skeleton key is the action or showing up that makes you available to alignment. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. If the pattern you've been repeating is, I'm not enough, I'm not worthy, I don't have success, then you have to interrupt that pattern with a new one. You seek out the opposite. You override it with a feeling of ease, confidence, and alignment. Do something that comes naturally to you and make yourself feel capable. Then move into the rest of your day. Then strategize. Then take action with a brain, body, and energy already set up for success. For more perspective shifts, subscribe and sign up for the free Aligned newsletter. And if you have any specific questions about finding your practice or need an alignment tune-up, you might be interested in booking a one-on-one session.